Hi everyone, as you can see on this video I have just bought a new little toy that I hope will help me make some nice videos in the future. So we've been trying this today with Brego, and you may have seen that in one of the articles I wrote on my website. Every situation is an opportunity to learn something new. So we've been doing lots of desensitizing to the lead rope, to the flag, to tarps, to many stuff, and well, today we've been trying desensitizing to the drone. It was pretty fun. So hope you enjoyed this little video, and we see you next time. Take care. Bye. As you can hear, the drone is pretty noisy, and Brego is a little worried about that. But within minutes he will get used to it, and we can get back to work as usual.